Most people think saving money means sacrifice. Cutting out your morning coffee. Saying no to dinner with friends. Living a life of no. But what if I told you that's the wrong way to do it? There is a hidden, invisible method to stash $500 every single month, without even noticing the money is gone. Look, I've spent years studying the psychology of money and helping thousands of people break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. The secret isn't willpower, it's architecture. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build an automated system that moves your money before you even have the chance to spend it. No complex spreadsheets, no restrictive budgets, just a set-it-and-forget-it strategy to build your wealth and start investing for 2026. By the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint to save $6,000 a year without changing your lifestyle. Let's be real. Most of us have tried budgeting. You download an app. You track every single coffee. You tell yourself, this is the month I finally get ahead. But then life happens. A surprise bill hits. Or you just have a bad day and spend a bit too much on takeout. Suddenly, that strict budget feels like a cage. It's exhausting. And the worst part, you end up abandoning the whole thing because it feels too restrictive. You start telling yourself you just don't make enough to actually save. But the truth is, you're relying on willpower. Willpower is a finite resource. It runs out by 5 p.m. on a Tuesday. When you have to decide to save every single time you get paid, you're fighting a psychological war against your own brain. That's why your savings account is still sitting at double digits, while your stress levels are hitting 6 figures. You're stuck in a loop. Earn, spend, worry, repeat. It feels like you're forced to choose between living your life now or being secure in the future. But what if the problem isn't your discipline? What if the problem is that you're making the act of saving visible? Here is the secret. You don't need more discipline. You need a better system. Most people try to save whatever is left at the end of the month. Problem is, there's never anything left. We're flipping the script. We're making your savings invisible. This isn't about skipping your morning coffee or living on ramen. It's about removing the human element. Because humans are bad at resisting temptation. Systems are not. Let's break down the 4-step invisible savings engine. Step 1, the ghost audit. We all have them. The $12 subscription you forgot about 2 years ago. The free trial that started charging you in 2023. Open your bank statement right now. Find 3 recurring charges you don't actually use. Cancel them. That's your first $40 a month. You didn't change your lifestyle, you just stopped paying for things you don't want. Step 2, the roundup. This is where we use technology to cheat. Use an automated budgeting app or a bank feature that rounds up your purchases. You buy a sandwich for $8.40. The app rounds it to $9.00. That 60 cents disappears into a savings account. You won't feel 60 cents, but across 50 transactions a month, it adds up to a significant chunk of change without a single conscious decision. Step 3, the power move. This is the core of the $500 goal. We're talking about direct deposit. Stop letting your entire paycheck hit your checking account. That's a psychological trap. Go into your payroll settings. Direct $125 a week or $250 every 2 weeks straight into a separate account. If the money never hits your main account, your brain doesn't count it as spending money. You'll naturally adjust your spending to what's available. This is the invisible part of the challenge. Step 4, the destination. Don't put this money in your regular savings account. That's too easy to raid when you see a sale on Amazon. Move it to a high-yield savings account or HYSA. These accounts are often at different banks, creating a friction barrier. It takes a day or 2 to transfer the money back. That pause is usually enough to stop an impulse buy. Plus, you're earning 10 to 100 times more interest. You aren't just saving $500 a month, You're building a passive income machine that grows while you sleep. Now, the secret to making this truly invisible is where you put the money. Don't leave it in your main account. You'll spend it. Instead, move it to a high-yield savings account. I've linked my top recommendation in the description. It pays significantly more than a traditional bank, so your money grows while you ignore it. Pair that with an automated budgeting app to handle the transfers for you. Now, look at the results. Do this for 1 year, and you have $6,000. In 5 years, you're looking at $30,000 plus interest. You didn't sacrifice your lifestyle. You just built a financial fortress in the background. If you're ready to stop stressing and start growing, hit that subscribe button. Check the links below to set up your invisible system today. Let's get wealthy together.